Direction. This is what gives us the direction where we are heading. Now we are almost to the top of the Mount Longonot. So here guys, welcome as we take to our journey. Let's get back. Thank you. Here now guys, see how the rocks have been broken down due to erosion. And here is where the majembe took the mawes. So climbing the rock is not that easy. So you need some more extra energy. And this is an activity normally done by the youth because they are still more of energy, okay? I will not advise or recommend for the old people, but as well, if you wish that you are too old, and as well you think like you can have what we call an exercise and refreshing of your body, just come and join us. Kata. Here, this is now our next direction also, identity. This is where the reflection. So here now we have come across the very unique tree, and this tree is called Tarconandus camboratus, or the Lelesha bush. Nature is very beautiful. Let's continue. Security tight. So hello guys, here when we are coming for hiking, security is very tight. We have the big men here. These are the strong men here for security purposes. Not to kill us, but now to offer security and to ensure that we are safe when we are doing our hiking. Wow, check on the beautiful flowers. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Very beautiful flowers. I love beautiful flowers. Wow. Amazing. Amazing. Take one for me. Take one. Wow. Have one for you. I've given you a present. Usijaribu kudanganya na kijana ati unaletwa hapa atupatiwe ati maua.
Na hii maua free guys.
Free.
Maua free.
So hey guys, as you can see, this is our group now of about 60 members. So we are here now to enjoy this beautiful scenery, and as you can see, we are still heading to the top. We still have a long way to go.